So hello dear students, and this is our next video of R.S Aggarwal Class 8 solutions, and we are in chapter number 1C, and last day we have completed number 5, 6 and 7, and today we are starting from number 5. Sorry, it's not number 5, it is number 8. Using the rearrangement property, find the sum. Hope you already have books. So look at the question. First of all, the question is 4 by 3 plus 3 by 5, then minus 2 by 3, then minus 11 by 5. So whenever the question will tell about the rearrangement property, just remember about the property I have learned in my previous class. We have learned about the closure property, we have learned about the commutative property, we have learned about the associative property of addition, we have learned about the property of zero. So as per the commutative property or associative property, hope you already have knowledge about the property. If not, then please check my previous video also. Okay, and as well as you will also find about the what about the property of associative property and closure commutative property. You get knowledge from the example also. So as per the commutative property as well as the associative property, that will tell a plus b plus c, or a plus b in associative form, therefore c plus d in associative form. Just how to do it? Rearrangement by rearrangement. We have to first of all rearrangement that number. First of all, check it. Here the denominator is 3, here is 5, here is also 3, here is 5. So if we do in associative from number 1 and number 3 as well as number 5 and last one, this means number 2 and last one. Look at here, 4 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3, then plus 3 by 5, because all are in the positive, that means plus from. So if we place there, what about the for number 1 will become number 1, then number 3, then number 2, then number 4, then the answer will same, because as per the that means commutative property, what told? Commutative property told if any number a plus b, then b plus a is equal. Same way, what about the associative property we have learned? A plus b plus c equal to c plus b plus a. As a that means we can learn, that means write in this way also. Okay, 3 by 5, then plus minus 11 by 5. So we have to arrange the number in that way so that we can complete the problem in very short way. Look at here, the denominator is same, here also denominator is same. So we can solve it very easy way. Just LCM of 3 and 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3, 4 plus minus 2, then plus, then 5 is the LCM, 3 plus minus 11. Okay, so what about the next? Next is 3, then 4 plus minus minus 2, then plus, then 5, then 3 plus minus minus 11. Okay, so what about the next? Now I'm writing it here equal to, hope this one is visible part, hope this one is visible part. Upon 4 minus 2 equal to 2 by 3, then plus sign, 3 minus 11, here the difference sign we have to do subtraction from. If we subtract 3 from 11, then the answer will 8, and which sign is greater at here? Minus, because 11 number is greater, minus 8 by 5. So now we have to do, that's mean LCM of the respective number. I am doing it here and also erasing this part. Okay, what about the number? The number is 2 by 3 plus, actually the length of board is so small, that's why whoever is not a problem, you have to understand properly, and that is the 5. Okay, now you have to LCM of the number 3 and 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Okay, then what about the next sign? Plus, 5 3s are 15, 3 8 24, that is minus 24. Okay, what about the next number? 15, then 10 plus into minus minus 24. Okay, so what about the next is 15. For the purpose of difference sign, you have to do subtraction, plus 10 and minus 24. The answer will 14. Okay, which sign is greater? Minus. So the actual answer is minus 14 by 15. So in that way, by using the associative property as well as by using the commutative property, we can arrange, that is also called associative property, as well as we can also tell that it's a commutative property. You can, whenever some of school will also tell about please write the property name also. So in that case, whenever you will arrange all the number, therefore you can write by associative property. Okay, so that is the solution using the rearrangement property and find the sum. Okay, I am going to the next number. Number 2, pause the video and copy it. If any problem, my number is also provided, as well as our website link also provided here, and please call us at any time. Okay, I am going to the next number now. Okay, next number, number 2. Number 2 is told, same question, number 2 by rearrangement property. Number 2, minus 8 by 3, then plus, after that minus 1 by 4, then plus minus 11 by 6, then plus, then 3 by 8. That is the question. Minus 8 by 3, then plus, minus 1 by 4, then plus, minus 11 by 6, then plus, plus 3 by 8. Okay. Already I have books in front of you. So can you tell anyone that which number I will choose? I will choose this one with this one. That means 3 to the 6. And I will also choose the next number 4 and 8. 4 to the 8. So let's start. By rearranging, the question will, by rearranging, you have to write by rearranging by associative property. We can write, just I am doing the solution at here. Okay, minus 8 by 3 plus, then I will choose with 3, minus 11 by 6, then plus again, then minus 1 by 4, then plus again, then 3 by 8. Okay, let's start. Okay, at first you have to do LCM of the respective numbers. 6 is the LCM, 3 to the 6, minus 16 plus 6 1 is 6, minus 11. Okay, same where plus, then here the LCM will 8, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, minus 2 plus 8 1 is 8 is 3. Okay, now it's time to next part, minus 16 plus into minus, minus 11, then plus again, here also 8, minus 2 plus 3. Okay, what about the next part I am writing at here? The next part is, lower one is 6, upper one is same sign. For the purpose of same sign, we have to do addition. 16 and 11 will become 27. Which one? And minus, same sign, is to minus 27 by 6, and here the sign is plus. Then the next lower one is 8, minus 2 and plus 3 is different sign. For the purpose of different sign, we have to do subtraction, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Which one? Plus 1. So the problem now here, minus 27. Now I am using it here. Hope this one is visible part also. Now the problem is minus 27 by 6 plus 1 by 8. Okay, you have to find the LCM of 6 and 8. So I am erasing this part also. Here you have to, I have to show that how to find the LCM. I am doing LCM at here. 6 and 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Is it multiplied by another number? No. So the answer is 2 into 3 into 4. So 2 3s are 6, 6 4 24. The LCM is 24. Okay, I am doing now 6 4s are 24, 4 into 27, 4 7 28, 8, and is 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 9 10, 108. Which one? 108. Minus 108, then plus 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Okay, now lower one is 24 and upper one. For the purpose of difference sign we have to do subtraction. You already know that, the minus 105. Now you have to check that this number is divided by anything else or not. 5 plus 1 6, 4 plus 2 6. That's mean according to the divisibility rules of 3, both number is divided by 3. 3 8 are 24, 3 3 are 9, 9 10 15, 3 5 are 15. So the actual answer is minus 35 by 8. For any problem or any questions about the rearrangement property of sum, you can call us at any time. Is most that's mean you can call at 11, and 11 to 5 is most better, and actually in that time most of teacher is available at our office. Okay, and I'm going to the next number. Okay, and the number is 9. I am skipping the number C and D. This is because if I will complete every of question, because the problem is same, if I'll complete every of question, then the length of the video will also become increase, as well as I can also cannot complete the whole syllabus. So I am skipping the, this means the question which one is repeated, so that's why. Okay, I am going to the next number, and number is 9.